This is the OPPO A57s, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, because we will need to use the help of the third-party application for the tasks that I have outlined in the start of this video. So the app name is Caffeine, so type in Caffeine at the search bar and download this particular app. Once the Caffeine application has been successfully downloaded and installed, you want to obviously launch it. And make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set like so, and as long as you do not close the app, as long as it stays active in the background, your screen will not automatically turn off. So thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.